say we do a Woofer Flex Friday. What do you think?
Hell yeah.
All right. We got the perfect woofers. We got some cab 12-inch woofers here. Brand new in the box. I say we unbox these things and hook them up. I also say let's give them away when we're done, if they survive. Now, these cab audio 12s have been sitting on the shelf for over a year. I've been waiting for the right time to test them or to flex them. Today seems like a good day to do that. So let's open them up. Let's take a look at them. They say 1,000 watts on the box. Let's put 1,000 on them. Open air. No box, nothing. See how it takes it. And if it does, I'm going to sign them and I'm going to give them away. So stay tuned for that. But for right now, let's get to unboxing. Do not eat. Enough of that. Whoa! Let's flex this thing. It says 1,000 watts on it. Let's see if it can handle it. I got the perfect amp for this test. Let's go. There we go, Leah. Hold on a second, it's over there. Look at this. $1,200 watts. That should do the trick. Come on, let's go. Watts. It says 1,200 watts on the box. Let's see what it says in the book. 1,200 watts. That should be just enough power for that 1,000 watt woofer. It's always good to have a little bit extra. You don't want to be exactly at your limit ever. I like to have a little bit of headroom. So this is going to be great. Let's hook it up to the test bench and let's get those things to flexing. dual 2-ohm subwoofer, so I'm gonna run it in parallel. I got these ready to go right here. Okay, here we go. It looks like we're at 10 hertz, 25 watts. Look at that, 1,000 watts, 13 hertz. Okay, I don't want to break it because I want to give these to people. But that is some flex right there, I'll tell you what. I can smell it a little bit. Yeah, I got a little warm. Still good though. Cool it down a little bit. And too bad you guys don't have smell-o-vision over there. Get a little warm. Let it cool down some. Alright, let's do this one more time. Just to make sure that it's good. Alright. Did it break? No?
The terminal's coming out.
The terminal's popping out? Alright, man. I do not want to break this speaker, but it still works. We're all good. It's a little bit warm, but not too bad considering I had 1,000 watts at 13 hertz on it. Held up fine. Doesn't even smell anymore. It's good. It survived. It's in one piece. Well, it looks like it did really well. I mean, I'm not sure how much longer I could have done that. Of course, out in the open air without a box, never recommended to do that. So this is just me having a good time, seeing how hard I can make it flex, but it did well. But I'll check it out. I got something special I'm about ready to do. Hey, I'm gonna make this real simple, super duper easy, like my boy Bobby Gately would say. The first person in the comments right now who says, I want this, is gonna get one of these 12-inch woofers. The first Patreon in the comments that says, I want this, is gonna get this woofer. The brand new one, never been played, is going to Patreon. The one that I just showed you, that I stretched a little bit, but it's still working, perfect condition, that's gonna go to one of you YouTubers. So, I will figure out which one of you guys was first, but just by looking at the comments, and we'll take care of it from there. And by the way, if you live in America, shipping is free. If you live anywhere outside of the United States, you can cover shipping. I'm sorry, it's not cheap, but that's just the way it is. So let me know. And if you happen to live outside the United States and you don't want to pay shipping, be generous to your next guy and let them have it. It's always the best way to do it. So Cab Audio, 2 Cab Audio 12s up for grabs right now. Get it in while you can.